Well, here I am, dressed for work, but on my couch. This is the way we work now. Just like you, I'm sure, and your customers, and you're on your couch taking calls from them, asking for a quote. Manufacturers know what that's about. Oh, a price? When are you gonna get it? Oh, let me get back to you. That's what often happens. You need to look somewhere else for the answers for a price and a lead time, and only then follow up. Waiting for a quote is a sales killer. Use this opportunity as you're digitally transforming to pull that stuff out of ERP. One of the things that I do right here in Salesforce, I've got my quote, I've got my line items, and I've got ATP, available to promise. Lead time, essentially, for everybody else out there. And most ERP systems calculate all this stuff. Do we have the stock, or do we have the materials to make it? Once we make it, or once it's available, how long is it going to take to get there? And all those calculations can get massively complex. But it gets a lot easier for salespeople if you bring that from ERP and put ATP right there. I get my pricing and my quote, add my line item, add my product, goes to ERP, comes back, gives me a price. It also gives me a lead time and a timeline of when I'm going to get those things. It's great if I have it because I can also expose this information to my customers. At least when they call, I can look here on CRM, I can see it in Salesforce that I've got it. Manufacturers need to be thinking like that as they digitally transform. That is digital transformation. Before you did it manually, now you're doing it digitally. You're transforming, and good luck in your digital transformation journey.